So here we have a Dell wireless mouse called WM126 Dell wireless mouse. This is the blue version. And this is the package. Quick start guide, how to insert the battery, how to open it, and safety paper. Okay, and this is the mouse. It has a on-off switch. It has a laser, and this fit here on the sides. It's very small. I don't have big hands, but this is extremely small for me. It's more like a laptop mouse that you can just carry around. Has the Dell logo on the back. No extra buttons on the sides. And everything is made from plastic. No rubber, no, everything is just plastic. And it clicks like this. Right click, left click, right click. And scroll click. The scroll click, it's okay. You can click easily. And the scroll is fine. And to open it, I'm just gonna turn it off. To open it, you just put your finger here, your nail, and just pull it, and the cover goes off. It's actually magnetic here, and the single battery goes here. This is a AA battery, comes included. It looks like a Duracell, but it's not Duracell. Actually it is Duracell, it's Duracell WM, made in China, but the text is in French. This maybe is like a sample Duracell battery, because it's not saying Duracell that obvious. And it has the dongle here. I have it attached on my laptop now. You can just take it out and stick it in here along with the battery. And then when you put the cover on, first the front side and then the back side will just go in very easily because it's magnetic. And then you can just try to press the button so everything is okay. I can say that I like it very much because the battery adds too much weight, in my opinion. This mouse, it feels pretty heavy compared to a wired mouse of the same size that will feel like a feather, but this one is pretty heavy. The price was like 40 euros. I got it as a gift for another product, the Dell product, so I haven't paid for it. And maybe it's okay quality wise. It feels like cheap plastic, but I'm not sure you can get something better at this price as a wireless mouse. I have my old wireless mouse. This was like 4 euros or 3 euros maybe. This is branded A+. It has lasted me for, it still works. I've used it just for my TV for about 3 years I think, and it still works. Now the buttons are much harder to press compared to the Dell one, and quality wise I would definitely go with the Dell. So I guess don't buy the cheapest one. You can get this one, maybe not this color, I don't like the color very much. Get the black or white one. I would go for the black one. So yeah, this is Dell WM126 wireless mouse. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.